Hello and welcome to our LRXL network. I'm your friend, and in this amazing and awesome video I will teach you how you can create table using nested for loop command in this VBA. Alright, I will teach you an amazing and awesome technique in this video. Alright, so here I have taken an example in sheet 2 and created a simple form control button, and if I will click on this, then as soon as I will click on this, a table will be created how many numbers I have put it in this macro code. Alright, so just click on this table, and now this time this form control button is not binded with the current macro, so I need to bind with this. So just click on assign macro, and this is the macro subname, and now just click it. Here you can see now from 1 to 10 table is created. Alright, as soon as I will click on this, from 1 to 10 table is created. Alright, this is amazing. Alright, so let's learn how we can create this. So for this I will simply go to our Visual Basic page, and here I have created a simple macro code, and this time I will take a new subname. So this time I'm taking sub multi table. Alright, in last I have taken multiplication table, but this time I am taking multi table. Alright, now I will use the same comments so that I can just simply copy and paste. Alright, now here I will take two loop. First one would be for x is equal to 1 to 10. It means how much time you want to multiply your actual values, that you will put over here. Alright, now for the second loop for y is equal to 1 to 10, it means how much values you want to multiply. Alright, that you will take in this y loop. Alright, now just where you want to show your results, so that would be this workbook dot sheet, that would be the sheet name is sheet 2 dot cells, and the cell would be x and y. It means it will start from always A1 cell, and it will go whatever your desired value is, put it over here. Alright, then value, and then is equal to what is the value of x and y will be show in your table. Alright, so now just close your loop. First we will close y loop, and then we will close our x loop. Alright, so here our code is done. Let understand and run this code. Alright, so just click on this, right click on this form control button, assign macro, and this time I will take or bind with this subname, which is multi table. Now just click on this. Here you can see 10 table is created. If I will take only 5 value, then what will be happen? It will multiply 5 times only. Alright, let's check. If I will click on this, here you can see the table is completed to 1 to 10, but it is multiplying only 5 times. Alright, so you need to pick always for x loop 10. Alright, and this 10 is defining how much table you want. Alright, if I will take 10, then it will start from 1 to last 10, and if I will take 20, then what will happen? See, here you can see this time the table is starting from 1 and it is going to last 20. Here you can put any value. Let's say I'm taking 200, and now just run it again. Now you can see from 1 to 200 table is created in just a single minute. Alright, so this is how you can create this beautiful table, multiplication table, using nested loop command. And I hope you will like this video, and if you like this video, please like it. If you did not subscribe my channel still, so please subscribe it. And if you have any query regarding this video, so you can just do the comments below of this video, and I will meet you in next video to teach you an amazing VBA technique so that you can become a VBA expert. Alright, so we'll meet you in next video. Till then, goodbye.